Good afternoon and welcome to the GPS Global Wallet podcast for Thursday, June the 22nd. The Bank of England announced at midday that they would raise rates by 0.5% to 5%, the highest level for 15 years, following yesterday's CPI print at 8.7% against expectations below 8.5%. The markets are in turmoil, selling sterling after an initial rally, with sterling dollar trading at 127.5 and sterling euro at 115.80. But watch out for the equity markets. The FTSE is trading at 7473, down 0.92% on the day, and sentiment appears to be turning negative. In the interest rate markets, 2-year bonds are trading at 5.04 and 5 years at 4.59, so rates lower over the more medium term, but not by as much as thought before. Food inflation is still strong. The only relief now expected to come in energy prices, where gas spot prices are 17% lower than in late 2022. In the UK, policymakers and Martin Lewis are becoming increasingly concerned about a mortgage time bomb, fueled by the higher base rate, which when combined with a higher cost of living can only increase the monetary squeeze households are feeling. In the UK, 80% of mortgages are booked at a fixed rate, but with over 50% of these maturing in the next 18 months, and new mortgage rates 3 to 5 times higher than 2 years ago, the black powder is set and primed. We may be looking at lower property prices over the next 18 to 24 months as supply outstrips demand. Last night in the US, Fed Chair Jerome Powell signalled more tightening ahead, stating that policymakers are expecting such moves to reduce US growth and contain inflationary pressures. Mr. Powell has been a little inconsistent of late, and we await further data before calling the market. In fact, last night, Fed's Raphael Bostic came in with the dovish position. He stated that he supports holding the current rate level and that it is wise to wait for inflation to slowly come off in response to past moves. The 2-year US Treasury trades at 4.72% and the 5-year below 4%. Inflation is still the central bank's watchword, but it feels like alternative tactics may have to be considered by the men and women of the MPC. GPS Capital Markets have the tools to help your treasury function be truly excellent. Click on www.gpsfx.com for further details or comment below. Thank you.